I'm doing my master's in data science and machine learning. I'm about a year and 3 months in. This is the book that I had picked up when I had applied for my master's program, and I had like a couple of months left to the classes. And this is definitely one of those books that I'll suggest you have it. Right now, it has become more of a warm-up book for me, but it covers data science very, very broadly. A lot of things, a lot of code is very straightforward. Of course, there's going to be some outdated code with printed books, but definitely a good one. Now, second is practical statistics for data scientists. Now, as you know, data science is basically statistics, and we implement statistics with programming. This is definitely one of those books that you should have as well. I do skim through this very, very regularly, especially the code part. Python is the one that I've been working with, and it's been definitely very helpful to regularly skim through this one. The third one, now honestly, I did get this book to learn TensorFlow and machine learning in general, but I did not work through it much because I ended up working in PyTorch. That's also more or less the industry standard in most of the countries these days. However, my course does cover TensorFlow, but I did get permission to submit my assignments in PyTorch, and that did work. So I haven't done much with this book, but this is also a very highly regarded book and a very good one as well. As I was preparing, at least for my lectures around TensorFlow, I think this did help, even though it's an older print. Now, apart from this book, I do have a lot of other books that I get access to because of my university library. Those are Springer books, and I get ebook access, so I've got them in my iPad. Now, Linear Algebra by Gilbert Strang. Maths is going to be very important. This is something that you should definitely get. And I think there are multiple linear algebra books that people suggest, but this one is definitely a very good one. And I did get a calculus book as well, but I don't do much calculus. I did go through a Coursera course, a specialization of 3 different courses. But if I really want to go deeper into maths, this is the book that I pick up, especially when it comes to linear algebra. Statistics, probability, those things are something that I do follow YouTube OpenCourseWare kind of lectures from. I think MIT is one playlist that I've got saved. Stanford also has a couple of maths courses that I think you can do with Calculus 1, Calculus 2. You don't need to go through those if you are going through a book like Mathematics from Machine Learning, which is another book that I have ebook access to because of my university. There are 2 more, Introduction to Statistical Learning with Applications in Python, which is a newer version from last year. And then there is Elements of Statistical Learning by the same writer as well. Elements of Statistical Learning is a much deeper book.